two major world premieres, one unforgettable night of fashion. From New York to London, the red carpets of Jurassic World, Rebirth and F1. The movie were bursting with jaw-dropping looks, fearless statements, and pure, star-powered style. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the best dressed at the Jurassic World and F1 red carpet premieres, and trust me, you don't want to miss these unforgettable celebrity-style moments. Whether it's old Hollywood glamour or cutting-edge couture, these red carpets were on fire. Let's get into it. Jurassic World Rebirth Red Carpet World Premiere in New York. Scarlett Johansson stuns. Scarlett Johansson brought vintage Hollywood drama to modern fashion at the Jurassic World Rebirth World Premiere in New York. She wore a custom ivory Givenchy gown that exuded sophistication and ethereal grace. The sculpted corset bodice featured a sweetheart neckline that flowed into cascading ruffles, creating a silhouette that was both commanding and graceful. Styled by Kate Young, Johansson's look was meticulously polished. She accessorized with David Yurman jewelry and her sparkling taffin light brown diamond engagement ring. Her Prada silver metallic platform sandals grounded the look, while her sleek high ponytail and warm-toned makeup added a soft, romantic finish. Accompanied by husband Colin Jost and co-star Jonathan Bailey, Johansson turned the red carpet into a style spectacle. Natalie Friedman pops in pink retro glam. Natalie Friedman made a surprising splash in a playful bubblegum pink gown. The strapless dress with a sweetheart neckline and twisted bust detail hugged her figure before flaring subtly at the hem. The unique texture of the fabric added a retro chic flair that stood out against more traditional red carpet choices. She completed her look with neutral pointed toe heels, soft romantic waves, and a rosy makeup palette that tied the look together beautifully. Her style was a refreshing blend of whimsy and polish. Justina Valentine turns up the heat in punk plaid. Justina Valentine brought fierce energy to the New York premiere in a bold, punk-inspired look. Her long-sleeved, form-fitting gown featured a red and black plaid print with daring bust cutouts revealing a black bralette. The edgy silhouette perfectly matched her signature high red ponytail and unapologetic attitude. Her confident presence and rebellious twist on red carpet style made her one of the most unforgettable looks of the night. F1 Red Carpet World Premiere in London. Tate McRae radiates timeless elegance. At the London premiere of F1, the movie, Tate McRae brought a sultry elegance to the carpet. Her fitted black gown featured a structured corset top, dainty spaghetti straps, and a thigh-high slit that added just the right amount of drama. With a ruched waist and flowing hem, the gown emphasized her statuesque silhouette. A statement diamond necklace draped across her décolletage, while multiple rings added sparkle. McRae's sleek, highlighted hair and poised expression cemented her as a red carpet standout. Becky G delivers a modern take on power dressing. Becky G stole the spotlight with a daring twist on classic suiting. She wore a tailored white blazer with a plunging neckline and paired it with sheer, wide-leg cargo pants that revealed glimpses of her legs. The juxtaposition of structure and sensuality made the ensemble both elegant and fashion-forward. This utility chic meets couture look showcased Becky's confidence and unique fashion sense. Brad Pitt and Ines Ramon. Classic meets contemporary. Brad Pitt looked effortlessly cool in a double-breasted forest green suit, paired with a crisp white shirt and a satin green scarf. His look was polished off with brown aviator sunglasses and sleek dress shoes. Ines de Ramon complemented Pitt's tailored look with a dazzling Fendi beaded gown adorned with microcrystals and Duchess straps. Her matching nano baguette bag sparkled under the camera flashes. She wore diamond huggy hoops and shared sweet PDA moments with Pitt on the carpet, including fixing his tie, proving style and chemistry go hand in hand. Tom Cruise keeps it classic with a navy twist. Tom Cruise showed up on the blue carpet in a sharp navy suit paired with a dove gray shirt. Staying true to his signature style, he accessorized with aviator sunglasses and polished dress shoes. His joyful reunion with Brad Pitt offered fans a nostalgic moment full of Hollywood charm. Kerry Condon dazzles in color and texture. Irish actress Kerry Condon made a bold statement in a figure-hugging gown with a black column skirt and sheer lace panel. The colorful sequin sleeves in ruby red, silver, and gold added an unexpected pop of texture. Loose waves and bronzed makeup rounded out her look, making it one of the most festive of the evening. Simone Ashley glows in metallic glam. Bridgerton star Simone Ashley brightened the carpet in a metallic structured dress with a peplum silhouette. She completed the golden look with strappy heels and gold hoop earrings, embodying radiant elegance. Her dress shimmered under the lights, capturing every eye. Raye blooms in lime green florals. Singer Raye stood out in a lime green floral gown with Hollywood waves cascading over her shoulders. Diamond drop earrings and a matching necklace elevated her garden-inspired look into red carpet royalty. Her color choice was bold, refreshing, and completely on trend. Gareth and Emma Bale. Monochrome Masterclass. Former footballer Gareth Bale and his wife Emma brought sleek sophistication to the London premiere in complementary black and white ensembles. Their coordinated fashion moment proved that timeless style always wins on the red carpet.
Summary. What?
A night. From Scarlett Johansson's timeless Givenchy to Becky G's fierce fashion-forward ensemble, these red carpets were a masterclass in celebrity style. The best dressed at the Jurassic World and F1 red carpet premieres reminded us that bold fashion, elegance, and personal flair are thriving in 2025. Which look was your favorite? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more red carpet fashion rundowns.